Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about freeze panes. Yes, we will learn how to lock the columns, the first column as well as how to freeze the first row. So without wasting any further time, let's jump onto the video. Hey guys, before starting the video, if you are interested in learning Excel and MS Office, please do ping me on the WhatsApp number given below for all the details. It would be completely online course with the completion certificate, the recordings of the course as well as the practice files. Thank you so much. Let's continue on our video. So this is the Excel file for today. I hope it is visible. I'll just enlarge it. I'll zoom it a bit. Okay, so this is an attendance file. I'm very sorry guys, I don't recollect so many names of the students, so I just said student 1, student 2, student 3. Hope you don't mind. And these are the day. So this is an attendance file. I've already showed you how to make an attendance file. If you guys have still not seen my video, I'll leave the link below in the I button as well as in the description box. You can go ahead and see that video. Okay, so now if you see for student 1, if I go at the right side, I want to know how many days this student 1 is present. So I have to scroll it all the way till column AF and I have to see he was present for 25 days. But when I come over here, I can't see what is the name of the student. Similarly, if I go down and if I want to see this particular student, that is student 58, I want to see he was present on this day, but I can't see what is the day, which day is this P written, or which day was he absent. Suppose here, which day was he absent. So for that I have to go right up and I have to see, okay, it was November 12th. So in order to overcome these difficulties, or in order to overcome these limitations in Excel, we have something called as freeze pane, where you can freeze this particular columns. Even if you scroll, this student name will not disappear. Similarly, you can also freeze the top row. So if you scroll down, the top row doesn't disappear. So how to do that? So you have three types of freeze panes. So let's see where should we go. So first is you have to go to the view tab. In the view tab you can see freeze panes over here. Okay, is it visible? Okay, so if you click on this small drop down arrow, you can see three options. First is freeze panes, second is freeze top row, and the third is freeze first column. So this is the first column, this is the top row, and this is freeze panes. Let's see what happens when I click to freeze first column. Okay, so now I've clicked on to freeze first column. My cursor is over here. If I go to the right hand side, now you see this column is unchanged, it's unmoved, it's not getting hide. So now I can easily make out how many days this particular student was present. Suppose student 1 was present for 25 days, student 2 is present for 24, and so on. Similarly, if I want to freeze the top row as and not the top column, how you can do it? First you have to go to view, go to freeze panes and select unfreeze panes. Okay, once you unfreeze it, it will come to the default mode where that first column is not been freezed. Okay, now I want to freeze this top row only. So I have to go to view. You can click anywhere. Okay, it's not necessary where the cursor should be. You can click anywhere. Go to view, go on freeze panes and freeze the top row. Now if I see scroll down, the top row is not moving even though I am going down. Okay, so the top row is unchanged. However, the column is not being locked yet. See, the column is been getting scrolled, it is getting hide. Now what if I want both the row as well as the column to stay constant, and when I scroll I can see everything. Okay, apart on these top row and top column doesn't change. So how to do that? First go to view, unfreeze all the panes. Now I have to keep my cursor over here, that is B2, column B. I'll just increase the size, column B, row number 2. So I have to keep my cursor over here first, then I have to go to the freeze panes option, and there in freeze panes you can see keep rows and column visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. based on the current selection. So my current selection is over here on B2. So the above row over B2 and the column before B2 gets freezed. Let's see. If I click on this, now see this column has got locked. Sorry, this row has got locked and this column has got locked. And now see, if I scroll it on the right hand side, the row is unchanged. Similarly, if I go down, the row is also unchanged. Sorry, the column was unchanged for the first time and now the row is also unchanged. So this way you can use freeze panes and you can scroll your huge data with ease. Okay, hope you understood the video. If you have any questions regarding this, please do comment below. I'll be more than happy to assist you. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload such videos. And if you like this video, please hit a like button. If you don't like this video, please don't hesitate to click on the dislike button. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.